Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we got the Losi Micro B. We're going to be unboxing and bashing this thing. Yeah, let's get to it. So we got tape on the bottom. Make sure I'm not playing music. Alright, so take these pull tabs. She should open right up. There she is, guys. We got the remote, SLT2. Can't go wrong with it. We got a charger for the little battery that we got. I'm assuming the battery's in there. Oh, we got zip ties. I feared that was gonna happen. I have to. All right, we got those zip ties off. Yeah, there she is. Look at how cute. So tiny. This is the size of my hand. So looks like we got some tape here. I don't know how they taped it. Trying to get it out. Okay, let's put that in the box. I gotta figure out how to take this thing off. Does it just slide right off? Oh, it does. How do I plug this thing in? That's the battery connector. Oh, maybe that's just to charge it. So I plug it in here. I think I got it figured out. Oh, it turned on. Let's go. I don't know how this is supposed to stay on. Hopes and dreams, I guess. I mean, it's so small that I don't think it's gonna matter. All right. All right, here we go. Here goes bashing. All right, let's see how much power this thing has. Not much, but I think it'll do. It's so tiny. It can't handle these rocks, so let's see what it's like on the pavement. It's so slow. This is definitely my slowest RC car. But it's so cute and tiny. That's pretty straight. I straightened out the steering trim. Yeah, it doesn't like the rocks well. Yeah, that's it. Little Losi Micro B action. Yeah, we're gonna rip this thing pretty much everywhere we can. It's so cute and tiny. Yeah, that little brushed motor. See you later. Alright, we'll try this side. Let's see if we can take this jump. Nope. Try again. Try again. Oh, we're stuck in the grass. This body needs like a clipless design or something. Come on. You can do it. Yes. Oh. Should we see how she does on the big ramp? She's still driving. Go up the ramp, up the ramp. Oh, it doesn't have enough clearance. Disappointing. Let's take it off this, see what happens. Hey, that was pretty cool. Try that again. Yeah. I wonder if I can flip this. Ready? Almost. Oh, almost. Yes. Yeah, let's see what she does in the gravel. These rocks are a little too big for it. All right, let's take her over to the parking lot. Do a quick parking lot bash. This thing lasts forever. You hit one rock and you spin out. It's decently quick. Think we're running out of juice. Yeah, we ran out of juice. All right, so that's it for today's video. Losi Micro B. Yeah, make sure to leave a thumbs up and like and subscribe.